Um, this is again Mr. Sarasin, and I'm welcoming you to one of my presentations regarding the trading sessions of U.S. markets right now. Before we had a good presentation and good blogs about European markets plus Middle East plus cryptos. Um, so let's start, and I hope that you will find my work here online useful, and you can use some of my we we had to do some damage control because we had some losses, but as you can see we have passed the critical line on the stocks. Some of them are already giving profit, like Google here. We bought it pretty low. And now you can see that Tesla giving us $2,000 profit. Once again, I am using paper trading accounts, so you could know the professional is always ready to make good trades, whatever the account it is. Is it $100,000? Is it $1 million? Or is it paper trading? So you could see the amount of not amount is so you can see the forecasts that are coming true. So as you remember, we had a Tesla over here at 858. Basically 857 was the target line. So I'm gonna close this profit. I guess I can leave maybe some small amount, which is can be 50. Okay. Um, because the entry price is very good, and the as I said today in the stock tweets and in the Facebook, the press conference that President going to take today, it's very important because it's going to show us the economical view and economical plan of what they're going to do, and I hope that it's going to be good. He will support the economy from monetary policy, from industrial production to consumer confidence, because that is the key indicators, and hopefully GDP will be very good. So let's check Netflix first. Should we close? Does it reach our target or not? Okay, Netflix over here. Oh, it's even it does. So we on 504, and I said that this line could be our um target line. Just 1 second. Some clients are asking about. I think it's good. We will take the profit and believe at this one out, and we'll close the position because generally we enter, much lower. So it's good, to take money before some, significant news like president's speech or whatever fundamental factors are, very risky. So it's better to take the profit. Okay, now Google reached 1,812, and it opened even higher. So we will close it too. Okay, so so people will see that there's a fresh start and fresh view, new positions, and Amazon. Let's see Amazon. Yep, Amazon also reached our target almost, and the big price is 31.85. And as I said in previous about 2 days, 1 day ago, our target was 3191. We can close it here, I think, because it's better being confident in such days. And I think the Tesla, we'll come back to Tesla. The only one is Apple. Apple stock price is not giving us higher bids, so I think we can cut the losses at those 100s. Okay, and I just sold euro at 1.2143, but we'll come back to the euro in a bit. Right now, let's see what we'll have in Tesla. Should we hold more, or there will be back again to our entry prices? Because it's far important to to have a sort of good entry, which will be lower than psychological levels, lower than retracement levels, fractals, and especially in elevate analysis, the entry must be a little bit higher than end of second wave or the fourth wave. They're not identical, but they do have the same law. So I think we should get out because there is pressure here. Pressure is rising, and I will show you what does it gonna do. Sorry for okay, just 1 second. Yeah, still in the flat, and we will draw the trend line over here. Okay, because trend is still your friend if you are working inside. And as you can see, it almost reached our target level, and now it's gonna pull back again. Basically, it can pull back again to 844. Our entry price was 844. So we need to sell better profits at stake. So that's it. So we made five actually. 5 stocks for 2 days, which made us $3,071.50. We still have profit on euros, and now we can just analyze the positions that I made 2 days ago, and you can imagine that if the stake would be bigger, the quantity of the stocks, the futures that I'm making is gonna be the same, but mathematically higher than they are. So let's see the forex market now. Okay, 1 second, just switch it. So the forex is uh, the app that I'm using right now. The software that I'm using right now is the MetaTrader 4. It's very professional, better than many other programs that on the market. Basically, because you can program your own robot, and you can program your own script. You can program whether the signals are coming or automatic trading, which basically I am against because I don't think that classical investment education can be driven away by algorithms. So let's see the euro. Personally, I think that's in my opinion, this is the end of the pullback that we have here. We did reach the first. Okay, just let me give you some brief of the analysis that I always start with the daily because the daily is more clear and more. What we have on daily, and then we have a pressure, which means that we have a big divergence on MACD. It means that where the price is higher, the real market inside, the orders and the mood of the MAs are not so optimistic, which means that they can sell it with a huge movement. From daily, I do move to 4 hours, and 4 hours is good time frame because it shows what's happening inside that movement. So from 4 hours, I move to 1 hour and 15 minutes, and then 1 minute. So I can show you what we have now. We did had a small downtrend, which was a bearish movement down, and at this point, the downtrend is broken up, which is reversal. This is the breaking point over here. And now it is ready to build up the uptrend movement, which can be supported by the news from the press conference today. So, in these terms, um, first of all, just one last remark: we have a bullish shear pressure, which means that all movement down is for going up. So, just in front of you, I will open two positions right now. Two positions, which will be first euro. Okay, 1 second, please. Okay. We will close the sell. It was very good entry. We sold on 1.2140, and now we're ready to buy again. Let me just update to 10,000, and we bought it on 2104. Second one is Swiss franc. Swiss franc is really correlating with the eurozone because it's Switzerland near eurozone, but also with the history of the euro itself, which shows us every time when euro is going up, Swiss franc will go down, and vice versa. So we will sell Swiss franc, also same amount for this time, and tomorrow I will update you with the new stocks that I'm gonna buy again. Let's wait for his press conference, and we'll see how market will react. And tomorrow we'll, easily will enter with small or bigger, much more bigger than before, and then you can we will analyze again profits that we made and some other interesting stuff. So thanks again.